Have you ever turned on your Windows 11 PC in the morning and just sat there waiting and waiting? While it takes forever to boot up, you're not alone. Many people waste minutes every single day watching their computer slowly wake up. Here's the truth, your PC isn't slow because of your hardware. It's slow because of a few default Windows settings working against you in the background. Most people think they need more RAM or a faster SSD. But in reality, you can fix this in just a few minutes without spending any money. Hey everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful settings you can change right now to dramatically improve your boot speed. So if your PC takes forever to start, hit that like button and let's fix it. First, we're going to turn off fast startup. Click on the start menu and type control panel. Open it, then click on the view by drop down at the top right and select small icons. This makes everything easier to find. Now click on power options. On the left side of the window, click the link that says choose what the power buttons do. At the top of the next screen, you will see a blue link that says change settings that are currently unavailable. Click it. You may need to enter your admin password or click yes on the user account control prompt. Now scroll down and uncheck the box that says turn on fast startup, recommended. Click save changes. This forces Windows to do a full shutdown instead of hibernation. It might take a few seconds longer to shut down, but your boot times will improve dramatically. The second big problem is too many apps launching at startup. Even if you don't open them, programs like Spotify, OneDrive, Discord or antivirus software start in the background and slow down your boot process. Right click on the start button and select Task Manager. Click on the Startup Apps tab. It has a small speedometer icon. Here you'll see a list of everything that runs when Windows starts. Go through the list carefully. Right click on any program you don't need immediately when your PC boots up, especially things like Spotify, Steam, Adobe Apps or OneDrive, and click Disable. Don't worry, this doesn't uninstall them. It just stops them from slowing down your startup. You can always open them manually when you need them. Now for the third and most powerful tweak. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run box. Type msconfig and hit enter. In the system configuration window, go to the boot tab and click advanced options. Check the box that says number of processors. From the drop down menu, select the highest number available. This should match the total cores your CPU has. Click OK, then apply. Windows will ask you to restart. Go ahead and restart your PC. This tells Windows to use all available processor cores during startup instead of limiting them. Many users notice a big improvement in boot speed after this change. Remember, every PC is different. Some people see massive improvements while others see moderate gains. It all depends on how many background apps you had running and how long fast startup had been causing problems. If this video helped you fix your slow startup problem, hit the like button and share it with someone who's tired of waiting for their PC to boot. And if you want more simple but powerful Windows 11 optimization tips, make sure to subscribe to Techie Dialogue and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, stay optimized, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.